Hey, YouTube! Oh, I gotta look this way. All right, hopefully that's not on there. Hey, YouTube! Check it out. So we just moved into Rehab HQ. It is October 29th, Thursday. We've been here now for a week and a half.
Week and a half, yeah.
Week and a half. We want to show you guys around. We made a lot of ground in the first 2 weeks. Still a lot more to go, though. Let's come on in. MTV Cribs, let's do it.
Let's do it. Welcome. This is the open area that we have here. So this is gonna be the gym area. So right now, nothing is put in. We're gonna put flooring. Where Craig is standing will be where ideally a squat rack, like this massive squat rack that has all these attachments will go. Not sure what else. We're thinking of putting some type of logo somewhere around these walls. Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, so today they're actually outside right now. They've just been taking out the, we had carpet here. We wanted to get rid of all that carpet. So the carpet is leaving. As we speak, they're gonna start putting down wood vinyl. This is gonna be more the center of business operations, as we like to call it. This is where the main office is gonna be.
Nice.
Wow.
They just tore this down this morning, and they're about to put that vinyl in right after this. So we'll keep you guys updated with that. But this is where we're gonna be working. We'll get a conference table, ideally something that can be used as a ping pong table as well. Put a TV up here. And it's kind of cool because you can oversee the gym when you're doing work. Get an idea for what's going on out there. Pretty open.
It's gonna change real fast.
Yeah. We'll keep you guys updated. We're putting in some white wood. We can give them a sample for what we're putting in here.
Yeah, so we'll go downstairs right now. I think we posted a video on IGTV maybe 2 weeks ago when we first moved in. I don't think we really knew what we wanted to do at the time.
Yeah.
We figured out a lot more since then, so we'll give you guys kind of the tour like Arash said. We're gonna have nice flooring all the way through here. This is the wood vinyl that we're gonna put upstairs and upstairs on the stairs.
This whole way.
This is the vault room. This is gonna be our treatment room slash vault room. We'll show you guys around in here. So we got this nice vault. This used to be a bank. So this door actually works. It's locked right now. And of course, you can see we just got a ton of random equipment. We found this at IKEA. We thought these are pretty cool, so we picked them up. Maybe we'll use them in a video or something.
It's gonna be. What are we picking? Whose movements or what?
Yeah, we'll have them doing different exercises. But yeah, no, this room is right now a storage room. But eventually we'll turn it into some more of a PT type facility and have a bunch of equipment in here. Cool little storage area over there. But yeah, we'll deck this out too. Put some crossover units. Actually, we have some crossover bands over there too.
Yeah, we gotta figure out what we can do with the exposed brick. We can get pretty creative with it. Should we put anything on the exposed brick? Should we leave it? Let us know.
Actually, curious what people think with the background, because I know we're going to be doing YouTube lives, IG lives, Facebook lives in this room as well. What do you guys think? Comment below with what background you think would be most appropriate. I don't know, maybe the vault, maybe the brick, maybe just the white wall.
Does it need more lighting? If you were to come in here, where do you think a treatment table should be? Sounds like we may get some goodies over there from some of the companies that we work with. But yeah, definitely not determined what we're gonna do with this space in terms of design. So give us some thoughts and comments.
I think we'll probably put some gym flooring within this whole area too. So over there, here, same thing over here. We're actually gonna open this whole entire area up. So this will be knocked down in a little bit just to make this whole gym area a little more functional and people can move around a little more. We'll probably put some cardio machines in there.
These desks have been, sorry for how messy they are, but these desks have been our temporary standing workstations for the last 2 weeks. We're just using old massage tables right now.
And they're getting the job done.
Oh yeah, getting the job done. We have desks coming in a week and a half. We just got these chairs delivered. I think we may have missed it, but there's a kegerator outside actually right now. They just got delivered this morning. Bunch of chairs. We got our first plant.
First plant.
Fake plant.
Not real, but
not real. Exactly. Oh yeah, then we got this room. So this is our creative room. You guys say hi to Karina back there. This is our creative room. It's actually pretty soundproof. That's probably the best part about this room.
That's why Karina won't say hi.
Yeah.
We got it.
So we got the couch in here.
a lot of natural lighting in here too. Really, the whole place gets great natural lighting. But
That room gets the best natural lighting. Even down at the end of the day, we don't even have the lights on in there. It has the best natural lighting. It's gonna be a cool, creative, shared workspace. The next great idea will be born in the room.
got some dog snacks over there too.
Dog snacks. The only person that says dog snacks is not a dog owner.
Exactly. Then we got the bathroom. This sucker just came in today.
Just installed this thing.
Just installed, yeah, yesterday, today. So we're figuring it out. We're getting there. We're moving. Oh
That's good.
yeah, we just ordered more of
It's a
those.
functional bathroom now.
And then the best part.
Mike's unicorn.
This is the unicorn. Could not find a shower anywhere we looked.
Not only that, it's a pretty big
It's actually a
shower.
really big shower, yeah.
Giant.
So
That's way nicer than my shower at home.
Yeah, that's massive.
that was huge for us. That
Oh, there's
sealed
another
the
plant
deal.
right there,
Another
too.
plant right there. All right, YouTube. Yeah, let us know what you guys think. Tons of new content we're gonna start filming here. We actually tried to film content this morning for you guys here. It didn't work too well because of all the noise. They were doing construction. We weren't planning on construction happening today, so we weren't able to film any YouTube videos. This is on the lunch break right now, so we're filming this. But we will be back next week filming more here. You guys will see more and more.
One last thing, you gotta help us out. What are we gonna do with the design, right? This is gonna be our main film wall. Thinking a few things, thinking maybe just one color and a subtle P for a logo versus this wall here. Make it really loud with it. Vibrant colors, big Rehab logo, but we're trying to think, what should we do? What about this piping here? Should we do certain colors with it? Give us ideas because you guys are our viewers. What are you gonna like? What's gonna stand out to you? What is it that's gonna make you continue watching versus go to the next video?
Yeah, comment below with all your thoughts and make sure to turn on post notifications. We'll keep you guys updated, probably on somewhat of a bi-weekly, monthly basis, just as things start developing here. Thanks, guys.
Cool. With that, signing off.